Yo, this is Clive9057 and welcome to another unboxing. Basically, this unboxing is gonna be, oh crap. Sorry about that. Terrible editing, but you know. Who needs editing when you can have charisma, right? Anyway, I'm doing an unboxing of, sorry about this crap. I'm gonna actually release what actually happened. Basically all this bullshit of how DSP treats his viewership and yeah, money. But anyway, I digress. Also yeah, I erased that and I'm like, yeah, the fans don't give me this shit. But yeah, anyway. I'm gonna tell you where I live. I'm moving in like 2 days, so yeah. Anyway, I'm going to basically unbox Watch Dogs. Now DSP tried unboxing Watch Dogs, and you can check out what happened. The last video I uploaded, it's really stupid. So anyway, I'm gonna just, sorry about this. I got really some allergy problems. Open this up. Let me show you the contents. Basically, it's just the game itself and the receipts in the back. Hopefully, it's really airtight. Show itself. So, yeah, it's Watch Dogs. What do you expect? 6 minutes of exclusive gameplay, PS4 exclusive edition. So basically, it has exclusive gameplay for the PS4, which is badass. Hacking is main weapon. Over 100 hacks to turn Chicago. Sorry about that. Turn Chicago into the ultimate. Play as Aiden Pierce, a brilliant hacker. I'm not gonna read anymore. I'm just gonna sit here and let you guys read it. So how's that weather? I'm sure it's feeling quite winded. Yeah! Sorry. I'm just kind of excited. I'm not gonna play this game tonight though. I'm just gonna probably go to sleep. Anyway, it's already been kind of a wrap because I kind of hit stuff. But anyhow, I need to really finish this right now. I got like 5 minutes till my battery starts trying to die on me. So anyway, let me unbox and show you the contents. Even though my nose is stuff, I still got that video game now. That's about that. So yeah, this is what you get. Wait a second. Just making sure the disc ain't broken or some shit. I actually bang that shit. You get the Uplay manual that gives you no instructions at all. It just gives you get more content, you know, win and shop. Basically collect units as you play to unlock the following rewards. So basically, let's just say you play, get extra content, pretty much, and let's just say how it's season pass to get exclusive crap. Basically, it's season pass. So it's just, you know, all in Dutch and shit. And it said it has exclusive gameplay on the back, so I'm gonna obviously put that in right before I unlock and I basically upload this video. I really shouldn't have did this while I was sick. Oh god, that feels terrible. I'm not really sick, I just got allergies and I went outside and we mowed grass and shit and yada yada. But anyway, while I'm talking right now, I should be uploading Rayman Legends as we speak, that unboxing. But yeah, pretty unique game. I think you guys should highly get it. So yeah, it's a good game to have in the library. I can tell you that much. $60. It's probably gonna be badass. And it has a shit of replay value. You also the multiplayer. It has groundbreaking multiplayer. It says invade. It says invade. You can invade other players' games, like in I forgot what it's called. And Dark Souls, and you can also interact with Watch Dogs on the go with a mobile app. So I'm going to actually download that, and it's an open world, freedom to play your way, and it's awesome. Hope you guys get this game. Hope you guys get PS4 if you do. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. As always, thanks for watching. Clyburn out.